How y'all doing? Well, you know, today is actually what is it? The second series here. I just want to say hello to the Iraqi dinar people that I actually have faith in this Iraqi dinar currency turning around. I'd like to, however, continue to remind you all that the Iraqi stock market is the avenue to go. I was listening to a lot of different reports on CNN this morning, and they were discussing, hey, the U.S. economy is not the market to actually invest in, but BRICS, emerging economies, people. Hillary Clinton explained that the Iraqi government is actually going to grow twice as fast as China between 2012 and 2014. You know, these Iraqi stocks are severely undervalued, first of all, and then secondly, you know, the currency is severely undervalued. So you want to look at that exponential growth and gain. With all the hedge funds actually gearing up for Iraq, this is the time to buy. Of course, the market is taking a couple different dips. Right now, I've actually been involved in this market since the better part of 2007, when the currency or the market did all-time highs, when we actually saw at Walker Bank well over 15 dinars each. You know, the Iraqis are looking to benefit from their currency being brought within inside the country. You know, I'm actually a big advocate of actually opening an account over there. You know, right now, if you're opening a bank account in the United States for a savings or checking account, you're actually out of your mind right now. You could actually be getting a lot more money overseas, just period. And those that are actually willing to take the risks with banking in Iraq are going to prove to be the ones to be the most profitable. Right now, you can easily accrue just over 8 to 12% and upwards near 15% on a CD in Iraq. Well, so why wouldn't you take advantage of that? There's a lot of different things occurring in Iraq. You got a lot of the oil refineries actually up. Exxon is actually looking at big deals in Iraq. You got Shell over there. Pretty much the HLC law has actually been in place. Right now, it is December 15th, and the Parliament has already come back, and they're finding that they're doing a lot more passage of laws outside the country. And, you know, a lot of different reports are coming out, and I would like to think that the hedge funds are going to be a golden investment for the younger generations to actually proclaim the newfound wealth. And the newfound wealth is in the Middle East, and politics has a lot to do with it. We noticed, you know, that we're going to leave troops over there, but it's going to be a small batch of troops. I witnessed the Iraqi embassy being built, the U.S. embassy being built near the 14th July Bridge. It's the world's largest embassy. We have a vested interest here, and in the market as well. For Pete's sake, if you read the history, our State Department and people from the IMF have actually trained the Iraqis on the stock market there. So this is a hidden gem in the Middle East, and the growth is exponential. Those Iraqis are very smart over there, okay? They're very smart people, and it's just an unfound wealth because we have a country that we have to rebuild. So there's a lot of opportunities there, but I like to speak upon the opportunities in the Iraq stock market, from Baghdad Bank to Al Walker Bank to Commercial Bank. There's been foreign partnerships that have already been established. We, the United States, we have to wake up and realize that, you know, this is the golden goose egg here. Those partnerships were established where banks would buy part of the banks. So, you know, look into the Iraqi banking sector, and look also into the real estate sector. Also visit the numbers between 2006, 2000 to up to 2008, right before the bombing of Samarra. The market was red hot. I mean, they were doing fantastic numbers. humiliated at that. Some people thought I was crazy, but I witnessed it on the ground how much interest we had in the Iraqi military being stable, and trust that the Iraqi military is stable. However, there is a source of corruption. But where is there corruption? In Russia, Africa, even in the United States, there's corruption amongst our market. So, with having said that, I'm going to follow back up with you all. I'd like to say hello to Mr. Rudy Coleman, okay, who's actually working tirelessly to get his market up, the Euphrates hedge fund. Rudy, I'll be looking to hear more from you.